morning. Sudarshan Sukhani, the Lord of the Charts, joins us to answer all those questions. Good morning, Sudarshan. Nobody was prepared for such a nasty shock yesterday morning from the markets. What is it today? More of the same?
Yeah, good morning. Well, certainly the markets do their own thing. What we were seeing was a trading range between 8,300 and 8,450. So 8,300 was taken out effortlessly at some point during the day, and the trading range has seen a breakdown. When a trading range breaks on the downside, then we go short. Traders could have gone short yesterday at 8,300 and today. Remember that after a large, wide trend day like yesterday, markets become choppy. So the ideal position is to go short on a small intraday rally rather than rush in at the morning. It is possible we may see morning weakness, but there will be a rally sooner or later. And that's the point. So that's the place where you go short. The view is that a trading range breakdown is clearly telling us lower levels are coming. But we have seen these patterns go wrong over the last 4 weeks because markets are choppy and in a trading range. But the broad trend is what we have to follow. Now, remember, Latha, that there's a lot of support and resistance in between the 8,400 and 8,000 levels. So the decline from 8,200 plus towards 8,000, if it comes about, may not be as easy as yesterday. But the view still is that we should be expecting downward pressure.
Okay. And what is the first point of support?
The first point of support is 8,000. Now, how it reaches 8,000 is another question. It's not likely to be a rush, but that is where strong support comes in.
Okay. Sudarshan, hi, morning. Before we go on to individual stocks, just one more word on the trading range. Has the upside for this market been firmly capped at that 8,500 level, or do you think even the upside has now moved lower?
No, as for today, the upside is 8,450, the highs that we made on Monday, and that's the cap. There is nothing to buy until the Nifty doesn't cross that level. That's very far away as of now. So there is only one trade. Either you be short or you step aside. That level, we assume, will keep on coming down. But it was since that it was very closely touched even yesterday, it's too early to bring it down.
And no trade on the Bank Nifty?
No, I'm sorry. Yes, of course. The Bank Nifty is the much bigger trade. Yeah. The Bank Nifty has broken down below 18,000. There's a failure of a bullish pattern. You know, failed patterns by themselves are morph into something very different, exact opposites. So the Bank Nifty is a short sell, and which is why the Nifty is also a short sell. I think it's the Bank Nifty that's leading it.
Okay, so let's start off with your individual stocks. You have 4 sell calls out of 6 calls today. So let me begin with Tata Motors. That's a sell only for the day, or do you think that the chart has topped out in the near term?
It's topped out in the near term. Tata Motors has been a sell earlier also. There is a very clear visible distribution and a breakdown from the distribution. Now, you know, small news items will keep on coming, and there will be intraday choppiness. That is normal and expected. And today is a day when you really want to sell into strength if you can. There's no rush to go short, but the trade here is not just for the day, it's probably for a longer term.
Well, again, an out-of-syllabus question. Out of your 6 stocks, why aren't there any sells on any bank stocks?
Oh, there is State Bank.
Okay. I missed that, but what kind of levels will you see in State Bank?
Well, State Bank's first level should be 250, where it made a low, and we'll just work it out. I mean, we'll let the market come to that level first.
Okay.
It doesn't look very good.
Okay. Then let me come to the other stocks. The other big index stock you have is Lupin, which is a buy.
Lupin is a buy. Lupin, in fact, had a narrow range and did not fall even yesterday. Pharma stocks do their own thing. Lupin has already gone through a deep correction. It's making a bullish pattern. It's not just today's trade. It's also in a position trading idea. You buy and hold it for some time.
Okay. You have a sell call on Exide as well. Is it only Exide that you will sell today, or are there any other auto ancillary stocks that look good to sell?
No, it's Exide. And Exide is already in a short sell. It's in a sell mode. So what we are doing today is, because of the market choppiness, I mean, I expect markets to be choppy. It's easier to go for mid-caps that are in well-defined downtrends. Exide, unfortunately, is one of them. It's an easy sell. Just sell it.
All right. And the other mid-cap stock that you have a sell is HDIL.
No, I'm sorry. I think there's probably some confusion in my list. It's
Okay.
Arvind Mills.
All right, go ahead. I mean, we also have Arvind, then maybe there is some confusion here. Let's discuss Arvind. What are the levels?
Oh, well, Arvind's levels are immediate levels are 220, but the way it is going down, lower highs, lower lows, doesn't stop. It could break down. You know, Latha, the bigger question is, I'll just digress for a minute. Is the Nifty going to stop at 8,000 or go lower? We don't know that. We'll reach 8,000 and find out. But the market trend appears to be that this trading range is eventually resolving itself on the downside.
Okay. Let's discuss this one where there perhaps are fewer doubts. Voltas.
Oh, it's a much easier stock. You just buy it. You know, we had a big vertical rally. That rally can't be sustained. It's been in a trading range for 4 days. It may chop around a bit, but every dip in Voltas is a buying opportunity. It's also an investing idea. You just buy it and hold it for a year or 2 years. I think there's a lot of money in it.
All right, Sudarshan, thanks for those trading ideas, and you have a good day. We'll see you again later on.